Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Gita Aulia. I'm from PBI 6C. So here I will explain about my assessment project and then title Improving Student Speaking Ability Ice Breaking at SMP Negeri 5 Stan. Number 1. Background of the study. English as a global language plays a significant role in communication, especially the educational context. Among the four language skills, listening, speaking, reading, and writing, speaking is often regarded as the most important skill to master for effective communication. In Indonesia, speaking English remains a challenge for many students due to several factors such as limited vocabulary, low self-confidence, lack of motivation, and the fear of making mistakes. Number 2, the identification of the problems. Many students are reluctant to speak English in class. Students tend to be passive during speaking activities. Lack of classroom activities that encourage spontaneous speaking. Number 3. Limitation of the study. This research is limited to the application of icebreaking techniques to improve the speaking ability of students in a specific class at SMP Negeri 5 Stabat. The scope and focus of the study are narrowed down to ensure clarity, manageability, and depth of analysis. Okay, next, formulation of the problems. Based on the background of the problem, identification of the problem, and limitation of the scope of the study, the problem in this study is formulated in a research question that aims to limit the scope of the study and assist research in formulating objectives and choosing the right method. Okay, next, theoretical benefits. This research is expected to contribute to the developing of theories in English language teaching, particularly techniques for improving speaking skills through icebreaking. The findings of this study may enrich the literature in the field of language teaching methodology. Chapter 2. Theoretical review. Definition. Speaking is ability to convey thoughts, feelings, and information verbal to others through the use of language. In general, speaking is one of the productive skills in language learning that allows someone to express ideas, establish communication, and respond to the other person directly. Type speaking. Speaking ability is an important thing in the focus of language learning. Speakers communicate through oral experience to gain much more information effectively. Getting students to speak in class and sometimes be extremely easy. In a good class at an approach level will often freely and if we give them. Next, indicator of speaking skill. One of the basic skills in mastering English that must be processed is speaking skill. Student ability to speak using a foreign language, especially English, may not be easy, but the ability to speak a foreign language helps students discover new knowledge that will happen to them. Next, definition icebreaking. Icebreaking is an activity or technique used to create a relaxed atmosphere within a group, particularly at the beginning of a meeting or learning session. Next, purpose of icebreaking in language learning: to reduce anxiety and build comfort, to create a positive classroom atmosphere. Research, location, and time. This research was conducted at SMP Negeri 5 Stabat, which is location on Jalan Pendidikan nomor 5 Stabat, Kabupaten Langkat, Sumatera Utara. The school is one of the public junior high school in the region and has been actively implementing curriculum innovation in the English subject. Okay, next, research subject. The subject of this research was the 8th grade student class 9A of SMP Negeri 5 Setabat located in Kabupaten Langkat, North Sumatra. The class consisted to 32 students, comprising 17 male students and 15 female students. The students were approximately 16 to 15 years old and come from diverse social and educational backgrounds. Okay, next, research object. The object of this research was the use of icebreaking activities as a strategy to improve students' speaking ability. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.